Hi, Dr. Rick here again, Minnesota Land Rovers Club. Looking forward to the ANARC get-together for the Diamond Jubilee, 75th year of Land Rover. Since 1948, now celebrating at Greek Peak, June 14 through 18. So, today, some assembly required. My daughter was thinking it would be nice if we had cots to sleep on instead of the ground. Then you don't have to think about, is there a rock there, gravel there, something there. Just put down your tent and voila, nice place to sleep. When I took the trip out to Circle Tour with the series, I brought one of these cot tents that the fellas used when they were driving Oxford from Oregon to Virginia. And it worked well, but it was large and cumbersome and still needed the pad inside. So I predict that I'm still going to want to use the pad on this one. I got one single for my daughter, 22, and a double for my wife and me. So a little bit of setup required, but it looks like it'll be fine. Not quite sure how this is going to go. New experiment. I had an excellent, comfortable time when I used a cot in the 2019 U-Ray National Rally. But they were Tony's cots. So now I got this one. It's a double. That should lend itself to more snuggling. Well, let's see. Alrighty, open box and same form bag with wimpy zipper. See how long this zipper lasts. Been in storage a while, looks like. Alright. And that's what we got here. Let's see how challenging this is to put together. Alright, so we got this far. And then it says open it to expose legs. Alright, it's kind of like that. And once it's set up, it says pull up. Well, well, well. Isn't that special? Okay, that folds out very quickly and big and feels quite sturdy. Quite high off the ground. So, global warming, tides are rising, good plan. And might be comfortable enough to have without a mat also. Although I plan on using a self-inflating mat anyway.